And then once you've done that, you can set up your own personal page. You can add a photo, admin options. You can scroll through adding any gadgets, etc. if you want to. A comment wall, so you can put comments in here. This is basically all about your profile, and you can edit it from here. So I just added an RSS feed here and literally pulled in an RSS feed from a blog, from the site. So here you've got content that you can pull. This will change and keep your site fresh, which eventually will get traffic coming to you from the search engines if you keep updating your Ning network. Ultimately, that's what you want. You want people to come along to your site, read your content, become a member, read your content and sign up for your lists, your RSS feeds, your product recommendations and your websites. Under the members section, you can obviously add members. Events, you can add new events to your site, what's happening at the site. Forum, you can start a forum post. You can start a discussion thread. In the gadgets section, and with a gadgets section, take your time to go through and see. There's lots of different gadgets. As you can see, gadgets is in beta here. There's different sites like virtual worlds, games. You've got a section here where like diet, nutrition tips of the day. You can add a Google search to your page. You can add chat to your page. You can have media pops on your page. You can have a universal chat where you can even people can talk with friends from other networks like Orkut and Facebook and High Five as well from within your Ning network. You can have a customized delicious tag cloud within your site as well. A welcome message, random featured photos from Travel Point. There's all sorts of widgets that you can paste into here, people's upcoming birthdays as well. There's just loads and loads of gadgets that you can go through that you can add to your Ning network. What I would say is you only really want to add things on here that become useful in respect of your particular site. You want it to be content that people are going to be wanting to look at. And as you can see here, you've even got the Amazon shopping basket as well, which allows a user to shop Amazon's products quickly and add items to a shopping cart locally. So you can actually do it through the widget actually placed into your site as well. And from the manage section, you can sort out information here such as your network's name, description and information, features. Customize your social network by adding and removing features. You can import photos from Flickr. You can promote your network with a broadcast message to all of the members of your network. You can look at your members, privacy controls, latest activity, language editors, profile questions, appearance, badges and widgets you can customize here. You can also allow Facebook users to put your network's widget on their profile pages as well. This is a powerful tool. And then you've also got premium services and more bits and pieces here within Ning as well. So ultimately, Ning is a great way of building a community site based around your niche, getting members to join and take part, and then obviously promoting and driving traffic to your other websites. And as you can see, it's complex. There's a lot you can add. What you want to do is take it one step at a time, add good quality content, and have people go into your websites in next to no time. From within the My Page section, you can go to My Blog, and you can also start then making blog posts. You can add a blog post, just click Add Blog Post, and you've got the what you see is what you get. Again, you can put your title in here, you can insert pictures, you can add hyperlinks, and you can lay out the content, add tags. What date would you like for your post? You can make it now, or you can choose a date and time if you like to want. So if you want it to publish it in the future, you choose a future date and time, and this blog post will then go live later on for you. You can then choose privacy, who actually gets to see it and who actually gets to comment, and then you can save it or publish it. It's up to you, the blog within the site. Once you've spent the time setting up the site, you can send people to whatever the name is. So we called this one learnforprofit.ning.com. So that would be the actual site you'd send out for people to go and join. You can then add content on here, obviously. And then once people come here, if they like the site, they can even go down to grabbing a badge and getting the code to place it on their site, such as their blog or their own website or their MySpace page. So they can actually be inviting other people to join by hitting Get Code. And then they paste that code on their site, and then when people come along, you can see they can choose here between a large badge or a small badge. You can add it to MySpace, share on Facebook, add to another. You've got HTML embed code, paste it onto your website, and then you can have people coming along. When they click, they'd be taken to your site. Obviously, the more people you can get putting badges on their website, the better, because ultimately that's more links, unique links, back to your Ning site, which then if you're linking to your main sites that you're promoting, it's going to be more traffic for you. So use these badges, encourage your members to add them to their websites, because ultimately it's going to be traffic back to you. And that's the introduction and overview to how to set up a Ning page for yourself and start driving traffic to your Ning site, your social network site within Ning, and then onto your own websites. Thanks for watching.